What is up, you guys? And yeah, we're gonna be doing AR only, and hopefully this goes well because I have not used AR in such a long time. All I use now is Uzi and Deagle and pistol, and casual grenade. But I'm gonna double grenade, sticky bomb, and regular grenade with AR. So yeah, hopefully this goes well because I am really scared. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, we're in the match.
Round starting.
Pretty scared because we're going against like. Wait, I should not. How did that hit me?
Oh yeah, to me.
Hold on, I gotta lock in, dude. I was in a rush to do
Round
the
starting.
intro for 31%. Dude, I'm scared.
Round starting.
Cause one's using sniper and he could headshot at me anyway. Dude, I'm scared of the sniper, dude. That guy could snipe me at any moment. I just gotta keep my movement up.
Round starting.
I know sticky bomb doesn't bounce off the wall, but you know, just in case. He was trying to use auto shotgun. You barely got a chance to shoot me. I feel so bad for him.
Round starting.
I really want a 1v2. No way, my teammate. No, my teammate did that.
Almost hit you.
Round starting.
See, that's the part I'm afraid of, dude. Dude, I hate this song. If you guys actually like this song, that's your guys' opinion. You guys could like it. I don't. There's two of you.
I just got pushed.
No, you didn't. You pushed.
Actually,
You guys,
Round
we're in the
start.
match. A what? What is this target? Oh, he's lying. Wait, teammate, wait, what'd you say?
I said you look the same in both.
Round starting.
And your own. Behind you, grenade. Spamming. Teammate, they're spamming.
Dude, this kid's just targeting me.
Teammate, should I start spamming?
Yeah. Don't use no skill.
Round starting.
The next round, I'm spamming.
And I'm talking about like your no skill weapon, which is.
Okay. Teammate, we're good. Oh, never mind, you won. Look, teammate.
Make
Round starting.
167 on the good one. Well, you see my avatar looks like the same as my profile picture?
Yes.
Does it?
Round starting.
Oh yeah, it does. How would you get
Yeah,
them?
my bad, teammate.
How would you get them?
I hit brown for like 50,
Dude, you're too late.
56.
There's no. You're too late.
Basically, I went this. Like, I jumped up. I meant to go easy, but I actually went to my right.
99 and 98, both of them. That dude should be dead. So.
I killed one.
Round starting.
We're good at
Auto shotgun.
that. Oh, he's auto shotgun. And still getting killed.
GG. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And please help me get to Director of War. And bye bye.